Hello. I can't believe it's July already. I agree on that one. We have got ourselves the Allure Box for July. It comes with a nice little brochure with a lovely person on the front. Inside it tells you about the items in the box. I highlight things so I have half a clue of what I'm talking about. There is a link in the description box below. If you enjoy what you are seeing from Allure, you can use that link and save yourself some money on your first box. So check it out. And now moving along with this video. First up from Tula, we have a product that is going to brighten and cool your under eye area. And this is full size. I'm definitely excited to try this one out. It says that it has probiotics and superfoods in it. And this is full size, $38 for 0.35 ounces. And it is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. And one of the things that they mention, and I also like, is for an under eye product, you're not having to dip your fingers into the pot of glue or goo or whatever you want to call it. It's a stick applicator. Definitely excited to be giving this one a try. Next is a full-size perfume for $36. It is from Malin and Goats. At least that's how we think we pronounce it. We're not really sure. I was impressed that for $36 you get 9 milliliters of perfume. That's a very reasonable cost in my book. I've taken a sniff. She's not a big perfume gal. This one is tempting me. I do get the rum scent, so I think I might be keeping this one. Let's read up on it a little bit here. It says you will love it because of the notes of rum, sweet plum, and bright bergamot. And you can rub it over your pulse points, your wrists, your neck, even the back of your knees for a breezy summer fragrance. Third up is from YSL. This is a primer. And I saw this on a channel the other night. Inside, that's not a doe foot applicator, that's actually a spatula. So I thought that was an interesting concept for a way to help you apply a primer. I'm not a big primer person, so I think I'm just going to be putting this into the Find a Future Home box. This is a sample size at 10 milliliters. Full size would be $56 for 30 milliliters. And it says that a little bit goes a long way. Smooth a little over your skin as a prep step, or mix it into your favorite base and mix the two together and then apply it. Like I said, it's not really my thing, so rather than try it once, not really like it, and then it gets wasted, I'd rather pass it along. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has decided her two favorites are the Tula Under Eye Cooling product and the perfume. What did you like? Let us know. Do you get this box? If you don't and you want, remember we have a code down below that you can use to save yourself a few dollars. And now moving right along with this video. I have heard this pronounced by Roy. In any case, this is a face mask, the Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. And this is a sample size. It is 10 milliliters. Full size. Oh, wow. $142 for 65 milliliters. I had to double check that one. Skincare ain't cheap. So very true. It is the Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask, and the reason that we're going to love it, according to the brochure, is that it has some superstars in there: squalene, glycerin, and shea butter. And this mask helps make skin softer while you sleep. So it's an overnight mask for your face. This is a facial exfoliator. And the safety seal on this one was starting to come off. I don't think it was done deliberately. I think with the hot weather, it just sort of started to peel off a little bit. So I've tried a little bit on my hands, and I like the scent, not too overpowering, and it's soft, it's creamy. There's not a lot of scrubbies in here. The ones, though, that are in here are soft and gentle for the face. So I think this is going to be a winner, and I'm trying to get a good look at it over here in the ring light. I think we're full up to about there. And so this Flannery Pore Refining Exfoliator Water Lily PHA, apparently the PHA stands for faux hydroxy acids, that was a mouthful, which are exfoliants that tend to be gentler than other chemical exfoliants like AHA and BHA, but they still do a great job of removing dead skin cells so your skin can feel smoother and look more radiant, and the rest of your skincare can penetrate better. Good to know. And this is a full-size item that we received, $52 for 45 milliliters. And last but not least is an item that I know I have because I saw it when I was reorganizing some things a month or so ago. I know I have this. Now, Allure says they don't give you repeats. So if that is accurate, and we have every reason to believe that it would be accurate, I must have gotten this in a different box somewhere along the line. It is a sample size, and the full size would be $29 for 400 milliliters. This is Native Spa Rosé Replenishing Body Lotion. I'm wondering if I got this in a sample box like Pinch Me or Sample Source. That could be a possibility, because you do have one already. And this is a creamy body moisturizer that leaves skin feeling soft and smelling amazing. Or at least that's what the brochure says. I think my top two from this half of the box would be the facial exfoliator and the facial mask, which hopefully will work together in conjunction with each other. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. Do you get this box? I want to know all the details because I'm a nosy camel. Yes, you are. And if you're not familiar with this box, it is $25 a month. There is a link in my description box down below that you can use to save some off of your first box. They do have different payment options, so you can get a 3, 6, 9, 12-month subscription. I believe all of those are offered. I know I'm on an annual subscription, so that brings my cost down to, I think, around $22 a month. So we thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel. That is free. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Check out the description box below. Check the videos that are popping up on the screen. And we hope to see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.